Vella is one of my favorite ships. Today, we'll show you how strongest Vella as a tier 3 ships. Going to match 1, we got Lost City with only 7 players on it. Our CV's on a right side. Then we need to spot enemy by self. Look, we have 2 bots in our team. And the important things is their CV is bot 2. After enemy has spotted, our target is destroying enemy CV. Well done, enemy CV has destroyed. Then we need to do what we should do. Two versus 2. Turrets will be easy. Don't wonder, we can't see where's Veliki, and Veliki have X51 too. Veliki have locked me. We need to get cover. Attack and keep attack. Don't let the torpedo hit the ships. So many obstacles there. Last hit. Huh, too easy.